How to refund or return items on TEMU. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, open up your TEMU. Now in here you need to log in if you have not yet. Once you are logged in, at the very top in your dashboard you will see Orders and Account. Select the option of Orders and Account. Through there, select on your orders. In here, you need to check out the processing option which is present in your left hand side. Select on processing and you will find all of the items that you can refund. Now firstly, you have to select your reason for return. Enter the return quantity, upload photo or video of your order, then enter the comment why you want this package to be returned. Once you are done with here, you can select on the option of Next Step. Once a request of return has been accepted, you will be provided with a return label. Tap on Print Return Label and you have to paste the label on the package that you have to drop off by your own within the 14 days. Now, once you have made sure that your return has been accepted, for your refund, you can select your refund method as card, wallet, or cash. Select your refund method to get your hands on your refund amount by returning your order. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.